Total volume is 50 plus V. Are you able to understand? 50 plus V into concentration of acid, right? Same story, 0.45 into 50 by total volume. 50 plus concentration of salt by concentration of acid. Okay, now this is out of the discussion. Left out is something here in this case. Find out the volume. Go ahead. Shall I proceed? Answer is one 39.62. Come on, come to next question. How many moles of HCl how many moles of HCl will be required to prepare 1 liter of buffer solution? 1 liter of buffer solution containing sodium cyanide and HCl. Containing sodium cyanide and HCl, hydrogen chloride, of pH 8.5 using 0.01 gram formula weight of sodium cyanide. Beautiful question. Ka of HCN, hydrogen cyanide. 4.1 he has given. I'll take 4. 10 power minus 10. A very beautiful question for students to enjoy conceptual discussion. See here, number of moles of HCl required. Now, first of all, when you are discussing about buffer solution, in buffer solution, there is nothing to worry with respect to this fellow, because strong acid will never come in buffer solutions. Point number 1, right? Our mind will study the problem like this. It cannot be buffer because HCl is available. Okay. Then 1 liter of buffer. Okay, he is saying buffer. Let us forcefully accept it. Sodium cyanide and HCl, no buffer because there is no weak acid. First of all, of course, it is salt of weak acid and strong acid, but strong base. but there is no HCN. Hydrogen cyanide should be available here to prepare a buffer. But see here, there is a hint. HCN is given. Ka for HCN means somehow we have to get in the reaction mixture HCN. Okay, it means I have to write reaction. How to proceed for reaction? Sodium cyanide plus hydrogen chloride gives you HCN plus NaCl. Okay, nice. Equation is okay. Sir, how to go for buffer? Right? Go back to our conceptual discussion yesterday, what I said. If strong electrolyte becomes limiting reagent, it becomes buffer solution. A system or a mixture of reaction vessel content becomes buffer if the strong electrolyte, either strong acid or strong base, becomes a limiting reagent. For example, come on, time t is equal to 0. How much? There is 0.01 gram formula weight. What is gram formula weight? Gram formula weight means mole, right? Gram formula weight means mole. Sir, what is this? Gram formula weight. Okay, remember that in this type of compounds, carbon dioxide, covalent compounds, this is the story. Mole word is correct. In case of ionic compounds, the word mole is not correct because this is not a molecule. Of course, I am saying molecule. You also say molecules. Examiner also say molecules. It's a common way of saying it is a molecule. It is not a molecule. It is a formula. This is a molecule, right? Covalent compounds are said to be molecules because they are having covalent bond. They are supposed to be directional, right? sp3 different direction, sp2, sp3d2. Whereas this compound, this is sodium cyanide, this is also sodium cyanide, this is also sodium cyanide, this is also sodium cyanide. Okay, all these are correct. Which of the following is correct? Sodium cyanide representation, I have to say all are correct because ionic compounds are non-directional because they're having strong electrostatic force of attraction, and that electrostatic force of attraction is radially symmetrical. Therefore, here we should use the word formula. And when you're having formula, molecule, molecular weight, mole, formula, formula weight, gram formula weight is nothing but mole. So gram formula weight is nothing but our old story in terms of mole. So he has given 0.01 mole because we are much familiar with the word mole. Let us go with this one, no problem. So we'll take this one here, number of moles, right? HCl, right? Number of moles of HCl required, but I am saying this must be limiting reagent. Therefore, let us say I am having something A moles. He's asking that one, therefore A moles. This is 0, this is 0. But our concept is, sir, A is taken as a required quantity, but this A must be limiting quantity. Therefore, this is dash 0. This is 0.01 minus A. Are you able to understand? And this is A. This is not necessary. Why it is not necessary? HCl. What is this? Weak acid. And this fellow. Okay. This is supposed to be the case which forms a buffer. Now we have to say buffer is hydrogen cyanide along with sodium cyanide. Yes, it is a weak acid. It solved with strong base. Simple, job is over, right? Very systematic case. pH is equal to 8.5. pKa. Okay, very good. pKa means minus log. You people are genius. 10 minus log 4 plus log of concentration of salt 0.01 minus A. Sir, this is moles. Yes, by volume of solution 1 liter. This is something going to be cancelled out definitely. And then acid. How much? A by volume of solution. Our job is to find out the value of A. Go ahead. Try to learn the concept, right? Doing 100 problem is not important. Learning concept of the problem is important. Are you new? Come on, Abdul Wasif. From the beginning of my classes, it was 2:30 to 3:30. No one said about any change in the timings. If you people are not interested much, I don't know. No one, no one said बेटा काजिम सर की बात नहीं है. मैं आपको कल बोला था आप क्लास में आपका पता नहीं कैसा रहता अटेंशन. दूसरे वक्त में काजिम सर को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं हुई. मेरी क्लास की हद तक मैं आपको क्लास में बोल चुका था कि सिलेबस अभी बाकी है. 2:30 से 3:30 तक क्लास चलेगी. ये हम कल बोल चुके थे. खैर चलो कोई बात. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड अबाउट दोस थिंग्स टू डिस्कस बिकॉज आपकी क्लास में बोलना बेकार है. करने से क्राउड जमा हो गया है. सिंसियर बच्चे हैं. बहुत थोड़े से बच्चे सिंसियर हैं. बाकी तो अनवांटेड क्राउड है. इसको हम जैसे लोग पढ़ाना देते हैं. No problem. Answer is given as 8.85 10 power minus 3 moles of HCl. Okay. That is something with respect to buffer solutions. What is the way and how to enjoy the concept of buffer solutions we have discussed. Now we are left out with the salt hydrolysis, right? There are some more problems of buffer solutions, but one or two or types are there. Remaining we go for the second one. We'll go for salt hydrolysis tomorrow. And after that, we are having problems with the indicators. Two topics are still left out. Most probably, maximum we have requirement of 2 days. Tomorrow, we'll discuss for salt hydrolysis. 2:30, 2:30, 2:30 2:30 कल और परसों 2:30 बजे से लेके 3:30 बजे तक साल्ट हाइड्रोलिसिस एक दिन होगा. इंडिकेटर्स क्लास एक दिन होगी इंशाल्लाह. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे. Assalamu alaikum.